Wow, what's happening? YouTube. This your boy Duley Customs back at that the one you heard me. I don't know, y'all don't even know what I just said, but I'm saying I'm back at it with another one. You heard me? What's him with it? What is was him with it? Um, Today I got a video. It's a do-it-yourself video, but it's a mod that I'm installing on my car. I know I really haven't talked too much or post videos that I have saved because I got a lot going on right now. So while I have the time, I'm gonna go ahead on and do this. Now, and the only reason why I'm doing this is because my car is down right now. I'm waiting for the alternator, and then once I get the alternator, I'm gonna go ahead on and swap it out and put the new one on and drop the new one and take the old one back from my core charge. Yes, like I told y'all, I work on my own cars, but some work I just don't want to do sometimes. So this the alternator, it's right under the hood. It's in a bad spot. Like it's hard. I jack up the car, take off the tires, do everything to get to this motherfucker. Like, yeah, this bitch driving me crazy. This bitch driving me mad, but it gotta get done. And I don't feel like paying my mechanics or nothing, and I just feel like saving a few ducats right now. You feel me? Saving is always the key. I always like to save. But so right now ain't no power to the car. But if y'all want to see what's happening on what I'm doing, go and drop them planes with them strong arms of 100s and use for uptown. You heard me? Flight pilot click was him. I know y'all fucking with me, but it's about to get a little dark. But yeah, man. I've been having a little downtime. Because my car's out, so it's fucking with me because I can't make my money. I can't do what I gotta do. And that's why I'm also about to invest into a second vehicle. So when one goes down, until I get it fixed, I have something to back me up. You feel me? Like, I got that to back me up. I ain't gotta worry. I ain't gotta want anything. Feel me? Like, I could just do me. You feel me? And but how y'all day going? You feel me? Because y'all know I like to ask my squad, my clique, my family, and all the YouTubers, all the people that's watching this, how y'all day going? Because some people could be really having a bad day, and by me asking that, I can make your day a little bit better. Who knows? But I'm hoping everyone having a blessed day. And if you're having a bad day, change that negative. Change that add-on. Change that energy. My fault. Change that energy. Turn the negative into positive, and watch how the rest of your day be. You feel me? But if y'all ready to see, it's not. Well, I'm on the fourth one right now because it's something I'm doing to my doors. But if y'all ready to see, I ain't got no power. But here it is. Y'all see that light right there? Yeah, that's them old school LEDs. But like I say, it's an old car, and I'm just fixing it up little by little. Now, once I really get the real work done, it's gonna be way better. But this is just a start to what I'm doing. On this side as well. See the one on the front door? I don't know if y'all can see that, but the one on the front door is hanging, and that door right there is done as well. But I'm still doing the wiring process. I gotta wire them up. I already got the power wire down, and I just gotta ground it. But I'm installing lights on my doors like how it be on the 300s, like the little blue lights that's on the doors on the 300s and the Chargers. Because on the 300s and the Chargers. So, but mine's gonna be white because my car white. So, Nathaniel white. So I'm doing white lights for right now, people. But this is what I'm doing until I get the real work done, the real deal. You know, when it's done, I'm gonna have another video because this is just one video of a mod. The next video is gonna be a other mod I did. I'm doing little things here and there, just taking my time. You feel me? Like, just really taking my time, and I'm actually getting to spend time with my car, sitting in the back seat. Pretty much in every aspect of the car, like sitting in the back seat, sitting in the front seat, this side, that side. So, I really get the feel of what Nathaniel's like, A.K.A. Maxx Boogie. You feel me? I get the feel what Nathaniel's like. And I remember riding in these cars back in the days, but, nowadays the ride in it, he rides smooth as butter. I swear, y'all. He's smooth as butter. Like I let my partner drive one night. We was on our way home about 4, 5 in the morning. He like, man, let me run that bit. I was like, man, go ahead, son. Hop in. So he drove that bit. He was like, damn, boy, that bit fast. That bitch pick up speed faster than the motherfucker. He said, and that bit ride smooth, and the shift smooth. I said, yeah. He a good old car, you know. I got to get a little work done to him. Like, I know I smell oil burning, or as we say in New Orleans, Earl. I smell oil burning, and I got to get the gaskets replaced on the back end of the motor. So if I'm gonna do the back end, I'm gonna do the front end as well because it's two gaskets because it's this dual overhead cam or double overhead cam. So I got to get both of those gaskets replaced, and I can smell coolant as well. So I'm kind of guessing the feeling that the water pump is getting ready to go. It ain't showing no signs of running hot because I have an OBD reader and I have the uh, Torque Power Pro app or Power Torque, whatever it is, Pro app, and my temperature stays normal. So, but I can still smell it. I smell coolant and oil, from time to time. So, and then I also just went to check, my radiator. Only one fan is working, and that's the compressor fan. So, and it runs, simultaneously, low speed, high speed, but the second one don't run at all. Like, I let the car running, that bitch just do not kick on at all. So now I got to go ahead and replace the fan. So that's three major things I know I need to do to it. You know what I mean? And as the work get done, like some of the work I'm gonna do myself, some of it I'm not. Like that water pump, I ain't fucking with it, but I'm doing the alternator. And I'm gonna have a video on me working on my alternator as well. And also, my car's throwing a speed sensor code. And I know it's not the speed sensor, y'all. It's not the speed sensor at all. It's my dash. And if y'all can see how the RPM is stuck on past 8,000 RPM, and even with the MPH, with the miles per hour, like when I'm driving, even on the app, that bitch will go back down to zero on the dash and then go to zero on the app, and then when I pop the dash, it goes right back up to showing me what speed it is, but the RPM is always fluctuating. That's just that, you know what I'm saying? Because I know that's out of there. But shout out to Hector on YouTube. He had a video explaining about why it's throwing that code on these cars. So I'm gonna have another video. When I do that, I'm gonna have to take out the dash and take out the cluster, the instrumental cluster, and tighten down 6 little screws, 3 for the RPMs and 3 for the miles per hour. And after that, it should be able to read normal. But right when I do that and plug it up, before I even start the car, I'm gonna have to clear the codes and then start it up, and then the RPM and the MPA should work fine. So shout out to Hector on that. When I do that, I'm gonna send this video to you, Hector, and I'm gonna reply and let you know if it fixed that problem or not. And that's all, y'all. I just want to show y'all the mod I'm doing to these cars. I'm installing door lights like the Chryslers and the Chargers. That's a pretty dope deal. I like that. So I want to make an old car modern. You feel me? I know I got that old ass double din tape deck on the top, CD deck on the bottom, but that's coming out. I was thinking about getting a Pioneer deck, but like I said, I want to make an old car modern, retro. So I found the 8.0. I found the dash kit, and I found the 8.0. You feel me? And I ain't talking about no motherfucking 7-inch W. I'm talking about an 8-inch double din, 8.0 Oreo, Android radio. That way I can install apps and everything. And it's I think it's 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gig storage. That way I can have all my apps on it that I have on my phone that I can basically use on the radio. And it's an 8-inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and invest into that, and that's only like a couple $100. So like I said, I'm gonna make an old car model, and as I do it, y'all gonna be there with me, you heard me? So y'all know what's happening. I ain't gonna take up too much of y'all time, you heard me? I appreciate y'all rocking with Duley, you heard me? And this is Duley's Customs. If y'all like the video, y'all know what's happening. Pop that motherfucking subscribe button and pluck that bell, you heard me? And to the flight pilot, click drop them planes. Y'all get in the comment section, interact with me. I'll let your boy, you heard me? I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, you heard me? Flight pilot click. Y'all know what's happening. Take the good with the bad, the bitter, with the sweet, the ups with the downs. Haul ass on all feet, mash on concrete, every day remain the same. Be humble, prosper, gain. Embrace that struggle to enjoy them future endeavors, you heard me? Y'all know what's him. I'm out, you heard me? Duley, huh?